Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Join TV. So today I came with a new recipe, that is prawn curry. So we'll see what are the ingredients required for this curry. So first I have taken 250 grams of prawn and have cleaned with a scissor. Yeah, you can use your hand also, but cleaning with scissor was very nice. So it is easier also, so you can use it and to clean properly. Nowadays we are getting prawn is clean, but yeah, I like those heads of this prawn, so I have taken as it is. And I have taken one tomato, one onion, ginger, garlic. This is kasturi methi, chicken masala, mustard, 1 tablespoon cumin, Chinese yani chakre ka phool, which will help in antibacterial, and this cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, taste wise salt, red chili. It will give a red like nice red color to our curry. So yeah, I forgot 1 tablespoon coriander as well. That is Mungilale action card.